this video, I will show you how I made my first ever slat wall on Scott's garage. Now, I've desired a slat wall for a long time, simply to get items that just get in the way, up and neat against the wall. And you can purchase a PVC slat wall. You can purchase these at Home Depot, Lowe's, you can order them on Amazon, but they're really pricey. I'm talking like a 3x8 section of this, $225 to over $300. And basically, I'm a do-it-yourselfer. I'm like, there's no reason why I cannot create my own. So that's what this video is all about. I'll show you step by step of what I did, and all of this for less than $50. Now, this video is part of the Dream Garage playlist on Scott's Garage, where I have been transforming what used to be an unfinished 40-year-old garage into what is for me a dream garage. This video is also on the playlist first time because this is my first attempt. If I can do it, you can do it. So let me show you how I made this. Okay, the first thing I did is got a hold of a sample of the PVC slat wall. My local hardware store just gave this to me. You can purchase these samples online though. I have an Amazon affiliate link, I think $1.75. It's well worth getting it just to simply see how they work. And they're all basically the same. And I also did some research and found out that the hooks for these slat walls are also universal. So on Amazon, I simply put in the search for hooks for slat walls. 3-inch hooks are the standard size. I ordered this kit. It was $37 on Amazon. It came with 14 hooks of variety of shapes and sizes. And simply just observed how it works. And basically it just allows itself to go in place. And then it just hangs down. And notice as well that there's it's not a sharp edge, it's kind of a rounded edge there. And it is approximately 3/4 of an inch thick. Okay, the next thing I did is find a way to duplicate the PVC using wood. And what I came up with was a 2x3 stud. I use these all the time, and the actual dimensions are not 2x3, but actually 1.5 inches by 2.5 inches. And these are really cheap. You can see them here at Home Depot, and for less than $3 a piece. And since I have a good table saw, I thought, why not just rip one of these in half? And the edges, by the way, the outside edges are already rounded, which is perfect. Just cut it in two, and it would be really an affordable way to match the PVC. Now, the next thing, and after I ripped them in two, was to figure out the edge and the groove that the hooks would fit into. And what I discovered is that it's 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch. So by using a table saw and simply notching out in one of the corners, the back corner, 1/4 inch deep by 1/4 inch, and doing that, and found that it works then perfectly for these hooks. Side view is best for showing you exactly what I mean by the 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch groove. So there it is, 1/4, full 8 feet for each of the slats. And then the 3-inch hook, it just fits like that. So very secure, you can slide it just like the PVC slats. Now, in order to make the first board level, I'm using my Dovo 3-plane laser level. Works great. Now, in order to get the gap correct between the boards, I simply use 3 of the hooks. Now, to attach the boards, I'm simply using my impact drill with 3-inch wood screws into the studs behind. Okay, so I randomly placed some of the hooks onto the slat wall. They fit beautifully, they look good. By the way, these hooks come from a kit from Amazon. There are 14 of these 3-inch slat wall hooks. It's from a company called Tula. This costs about $37. They will fit any slat wall. It's just a standard size. I'll put an Amazon affiliate link below for your convenience. And if you do click the link, just a very small portion of the sale will be given back to me eventually by Amazon. But so far so good, and I'm going to see now what all these hooks can do. Okay, here's what I came up with. Let's see how it works. Okay, here it is, my first time slat wall on Scott's Garage. I am very pleased. This project has exceeded my expectations, and that I could do everything for less than 50 bucks. Again, if you try to purchase a PVC slat wall on Amazon or hardware store, it's going to be at the low end, $225, if not more than $300, and all this for less than $50. Hey, if you got any value at all from this video, please give me a like. It costs you nothing, but is of great value to me. And expect more of the slat walls in Scott's Garage. I have plenty of other hooks, and I'm going to use all of them, and I hope you have a great day.